The Novogrudok Gas Equipment Plant Open Stock Company is among the largest in the Republic of Belarus. It is a highly specialized works employing over 1,500 staff. The works was established in 1960 and had been specialized in metal working. Then it was transferred to the USSR Gas Industry Ministry and began to produce household gas cylinders, pressure shutting and reducing fittings. The works adopted production of safety automatic devices, taps and household stove burners in the late 70s. Later the works began to produce pumped powder fire extinguishers, automatic safety devices for water flow gas heaters. The works designed and began production of gas containers to switch over the automobile transport to liquefied gas. The original model served as a basis to develop further many gas container models for passenger vehicles and trucks running on the petroleum and natural gas. The Novogrudok Gas Equipment Plant Open Stock Company now produces a broad range of gas equipment. Their household gas cylinders, pressure shutting and reducing devices, gas and water valves, gates, pressure controllers. They are automatic safety means, standard pieces for gas stoves and water heaters. They liquefied and compressed gas equipment for passenger cars and trucks, LPG/CNG. The range comprises gas meters, powder fire extinguishers, and various consumer commodities. Since May 2007, the Novogrudok Gas Equipment Plant Open Stock Company has been producing gas containers of the fourth generation with separate gas injection. These articles are produced using European electronic components, such as mini sets and full standard pieces. The Novogrudok Gas Equipment Plant is a well-recognized leader in the NIS and regional markets featuring a broad range gas devices. The works has tight link with many enterprises and organizations in the former Soviet Union republics. A wide dealer net embraces Russia, Ukraine, Kazakhstan, Lithuania, Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, Serbia and Venezuela. At present, the works searches for markets to sell its products in Western Europe, Asia and Africa. It is believed that export orientation means success of any enterprise. This success is based on the work engineering and production potential, modern well-adapted technological processes. They are cold and hot stamping, pressure casting of aluminium and brass alloys, plastic casting, mechanical working of rubber articles, welding, electrostatic painting, polymeric painting, many other know-how which are integral in the modern gas industry. The works equipment has been under regular modernization with procurement of modern machine tools and production lines. They permit to implement the most challenging and promising technological ideas. The Novogrudok Gas Equipment Plant Open Stock Company is the largest producer of range of articles for household and transport gas users. It is producing the following articles: gas containers of liquefied petroleum and compressed natural gas intended for gas-running passenger vehicles and trucks, automobile cylindrical and toroidal gas containers, the household gas containers holding 5, 12, 27 and 50 liters, pressure shutting and reducing fitting for gas containers, pressure shutting fittings for water heaters and gas stoves, powder pumping fire extinguishers, gas meters, consumer goods enclosures, open-air food cooking sets, household preserving devices. Designing and production quality management of articles operating on gas, fuel and standard pieces such as pipe and gas lines, firefighting means. The containers to store and transport the compressed air correspond all to the Republican standards ISO 9001:2001. The Works is proud of the new robotized line to produce household gas containers with the capacity of 250,000 gas containers a year. The output from the line conveyor complies with European Safety Directive 9099/36 EC and Standard EN 4042. The gas containers comply too with Republican Standard ISO 9001. The employed modern technologies, welding computerization, painting and outgoing checking have permitted to adopt high-quality production comparable with the top European counterparts. The line is virtually fully computerized. Robots and numerically controlled ladders are fulfilling many routine boring operations, leaving just the control functions to men. Incidentally, each ready article, such as containers and their shutting fittings, are checked for quality. Initially, the gas container line cuts steel sheets into workpieces. Then, the workpieces are shaped by cold pressing. Then, the seamless welding of container parts follows. It is the most spectacular part of the process to watch the robots fulfill the work from the start to the end. Welded steel containers are delivered into the annealing furnace to undergo the high-temperature treatment. After that, the containers are checked for quality. This line is computerized too. After hardness check, the containers are painted. The painting is in 3 stages. First, the surface of containers is cleaned. Then it is coated with a powder paint. Then the containers are sent into the furnace where the paint solidifies. Each minute 2 containers leave the painting conveyor. The pattern is applied to the container surface automatically also. The launch of computerized line to produce containers exemplifies the trend and the works, the growing capacity and the improved product quality. The prospects of the work progress is gradual automation of all production cycles, introduction of advanced technologies and labor optimization. In the final account, It creates high product appreciation at the world market. NOVOGAS has two companies selling outlets, displaying a broad range of the articles manufactured at the work.